All right, let's show you how to use this one compact simplified makeup. First thing I'm going to do is start right here with my color corrector. I need it for these dark under eye circles. I'm going in with a color opposite of it on the color wheel. I like to apply this with my finger because I feel like it gets in there, and I can also massage it in kind of like it's a lotion. So I just use this wherever I have discolorations. That is my broken capillaries. Over here is my sunspot, and I have a couple pimples over here. Next, I contour. This is the darkest shade here. I take a swivel brush and I just tap it in. We are going to make a rainbow on the forehead. I'm going to show you where the placement is. I call this a rainbow, and then a 3 and an E right here underneath the cheekbone and along the jawline. So I'll do the same thing on the other side, and then we make an 11 down the nose. All right, so stay tuned. I'm going to go back and make an E on the other side. Now we brighten. This is the third color. I'm taking my blend brush because I like a light coverage. We're going to make a stripe down the center of our face, make a chicken foot. We're going to add some brightness on the inside and outside. And when you're doing this out here, it also cleans up the eyeshadow and gives yourself an eye lift. And we went right here and right here. Now we're going to take what remaining face space we have, and we're going to use the fluffy end of the blend brush, and I'm going into that last color. This would be known as like your all over foundation shade. Prior, when you were using bottled foundation, and you just put this everywhere where you don't have other cream foundation. I just like a light coverage. It's dewy. Could put a little bit here under the eyes. That's the only place you will double up. Add your blush. You can just tap it on there, and then you can add your lipstick. And I know it looks crazy, but just trust the process. And the final step is it's time to pounce and blend with the blush and bronzer brush. I'm taking the smaller end, it's more compact. I'm pushing that contour up and the blush down. And we're just creating those little stipple motions. You can do this in whatever order. Stipple under the eye. Stipple the nose. Make sure you blend into your hairline. And don't forget to pull it down your neck. You just want to make sure it's all blended and stippled in. I think we've about got it. And lastly, all I do is I flip the brush over till the fluffy soft end, and I just drag it. And that's what gives you the filtered look without a filter. My makeup is done.